important as it denote our program to hold inauguration of the silver jubilee of Cathedral Church. Ini program beda boleh berdeksi, because inaugural kawan sekian, jadi mana bisop dia apa? Ada vision lagi saya, jadi first Paris Priest, our first Paris Priest pada Nicholas saya sini, pada Nicholas establish konsep, so Bishop pada Nicholas and our Paris Priest, pertama Paris Priest, ekete আমার এই inauguration center jabo, এই লগতে আমার RC committee সভাপতি আৰু উপসভাপতি.
To begin with, I would say, but that part is not made. Mentioned it. This is my memory and memory of me. So one more part of memory is this. Holy Father, when he erected the diocese of Bogega, he had assigned the St. Albert's Church, Paulaguri, as a cathedral church. Now also in the internet, if you search Cathedral of Bogega Diocese is marked as this Paulaguri St. Albert. We had informed Rome about this change, but I don't know who have done it after change that one day. Secondly, when we established this parish, this land was not there. I established the parish, Cathedral Parish Church was Seminary Chapel. Seminary Chapel. And at that time, what I vaguely remember, Kotaran, no, it was whose time the land was purchased much later. That time we started in Seminary Chapel, and okay, that time I think is all around here from the Boro family there are I think 32 or 33 families, and then what is called this Jola garden was also part of this family, larger community there. I think that was the Catholic population of this parish. And then from there we started. We now reached 25 years, and it is great indeed to praise God and thank God. Ishwar dhanyawad diya usi guru kare na hoy amor bhave bhagavan der sahare ami ei jubilee to party. Ditya tomar koisu memory and project is for the future. I call upon the parish priest and parish pastoral council and all stakeholders during this 1 year. When you will be concluding, I heard next year, in October, we will conclude. So during this 1 year, have a project, vision for this cathedral parish for next 25 years. And our vision is based on not definitely on buildings, etc., that also needed, but in building up the Catholic community of cathedral parish. In this, I wish everybody the very best to the cathedral parish family, and my blessing and prayers always with you. Thank you.
Jubilee,